The PRO2 is manufactured by the vacuum division of Varian. It consists of high vacuum pump that's pumping on a mass spectrometer device inside the leak detector. And what it is used for is throughout the industry, throughout the vacuum industry, when one has a system and they're trying to find a leak in the system, the typical tracer gas that's used is helium for a lot of reasons. It's a very small molecule. It can be detected in very small amounts. And so what would happen is the end user would hook up their vacuum system to this test port. They would push the test button, pull down a vacuum on their system, start spraying helium gas at suspected sites where there may be a leak. What happens is any helium that comes into the leak detector goes through the mass spectrometer device where it is ionized. The mass spectrometer will bend the helium ion